somebody's made a homemade deal. There's what's left of the gasket is in there. And this right over here is what was taken out of it. I'm assuming that's part of the gasket that was on this little washer right here. Anyway, that's what I need. I need to repair this gun. As you can see, it's a Rainco. And it does have some numbers on the handle. Kind of hard to make out. 70, 78, 50, or 58. Anyway, y'all's eyes are probably better than mine. Other than that, the gun looks pretty good. And I see what's happening is that little pin that drives that staple down. It's coming down through there all right, through that opening. It's not coming back up enough for another staple to get under there. So anyway, any help with that would be greatly appreciated.